Accounting sounds boring and confusing, right? Dense textbooks, endless spreadsheets, and math that feels like a headache. But what if I explain accounting using a pizza business? By the end of the video, I promise you accounting will actually make sense for you. Let's say I open a small pizza shop. On day one, I put 100,000 rupees of my own personal savings and put it into the business's bank account. That's called capital, the money the owner puts into the business. And the cash, that is an asset, which is something the business owns. And equity is the owner's claim to the business. Now I need to make the pizza. I spent 30,000 rupees on flour, cheese, sauce, and toppings. Now that is called inventory or expenses. These are the resources used to create your product. And the cash decreases. You exchange one asset, which is cash, for another asset, which is ingredients. Now the business is booming. By the end of the day, I've sold hundreds of slices and earned 60,000 total in sales. So that is called income/revenue, which is money coming in from the sales. Right? Your cash increases, your assets are growing because of your worth. But that 60,000 rupees isn't all mine to keep. To keep the lights on, I have to pay it, right? So the rent is 10,000 rupees, the electricity is 5,000, and the staff salary is 15,000. Now that is called operating expenses, which are the necessary costs to keep the business running. These eat away at your total income. So, how do I know if Slice and Dice, which is the pizza shop that we opened, actually made money? So, for that, let's look at the profit and loss statement. So, the income was 60,000 minus the ingredients, which was 30,000, minus the operating cost, which was also 30,000. So, the total expenses was 60,000, which means the profit was 0 rupees. That means today we didn't make a profit or a loss, right? We just broke even. We covered our costs, but we didn't take home any extra. So at the end of the day, accounting isn't really about boring numbers, it's about understanding your business's story. So if accounting finally made sense using this pizza business example, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye.